This is why you don't like nice places, Joe.
No consideration for anybody else.
All the meats and cheese. Good morning, world. It's a brand new day. Don't know what day it is, but it's a day. Luke's downstairs saying goodbye to Brad and Jen, and we are heading down that way now. Hopefully, the plan is a full park day, but I can't see us doing it. My prediction is park morning, outlets, dinner. But let's see.
Oh, we got the one today. Gonna do some little tricksies. Gonna be able to hit it first time.
I don't know. I've
Cool.
done it before.
No?
I've done it before.
Had a bit of a different morning to normal. Actually, we haven't. I came downstairs to say goodbye to Brad and Jen. They're gubbing. Such a short trip this time. Barely got to see them, but you know, we got all the kids and they were only here for a couple of days, so just the way things are. But we have a longer trip in September, and so do they, so we can all enjoy some time together properly. Love you guys, and I can't wait to see you again. We are on our way to IHOP.
International House of Pancakes.
Or if you're Brad, as you might know, it was the International House of Burgers for a small amount of time.
This is America.
Yep, it is America. We are the International House of Pancakes. Just got our drinks. I got this vanilla cold cream coffee. It's actually banging. I would arguably, annoyingly say it's probably better than the Starbucks that I've been having. It's just really sweet, and that's all I wanted. You got what? Just the normal coffee?
Just coffee. I need the caffeine.
Needs the caffeine.
Caramel milkshake.
And what's quite cool is they give you extra. They just give you the whole cup. So that's quite cool.
It's actually nice.
You'd think they wouldn't do that. What you go for? Oreo milkshake. Again, same thing. They give you the extras. Jaden. Top tier water boy. Health is wealth. Robin out here with the omelette. Looks like a good shower. That's like a meaty mess, which I love.
It's literally just all the meats and cheese.
That's a pretty banging choice. I'm for the combo of the Juarez leches and then some grilled stuff. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
We've just finished the International House of Pancakes. Bellies are suitably full. Everyone is now moaning how full they are and how they don't want to go on any rides because their belly is too full. Right, off to the parks we go. Let's see what we do.
Somebody help me get over it. Somebody help me, yeah. Somebody help me get over it. Somebody help me.
Daily Bugle, what's the breaking news?
Josh?
Yep.
I don't know. Just Josh.
Josh, what's this news that I'm hearing about you?
Josh.
Oh, just Josh. Yeah, totally.
Any interns left in the building, please report to the city desk.
Ooh. Ooh. It's Spider-Man on a boy. Still really busy in the parks, isn't it? So it's a bit hard. We ended up doing Spider-Man and Dr. Doom's Fearfuls. We're now going to try and get on Gringotts and Rip Ride, and then potentially go to the outlets, and then maybe come back later. we'll see what the plan is. But it's just hard to consistently get on things like when the queues are just so long. Like even just like short, like the rides that are good, but like aren't well ranked. They're like 75 minutes, and you're like can't really justify it.
Jurassic Park is what? It's 90 minutes.
Yeah, Jurassic Park, the wet with the water ride. It's like 90, something like that, isn't it? 70, something like that. And
as fun as it is not worth an hour and a half.
no, like I would love to do it, but I'm hoping that tomorrow we can just, given that we're not going to be here, we're not going to be here late. I'm hoping that might even be a chance for EPA or something like that, so we can bang out Forbidden Journey, Velocicoaster, and potentially even Hagrid's. But we'll see. We shall see how it goes.
Somebody help me get over it. Somebody help me, yeah. Somebody help me get over it. Somebody help me. Somebody help me get over it. Somebody help me, yeah. Somebody help me get over it. Somebody help me, yeah.
Things are very spooky. They can't see a thing. It's too dark.
There you go.
What have you done?
I can't catch it.
Control the skeleton, hook out your entire body.
Dance then. Like that. Little wee hit the quiddy.
Borgen and Burke. Spooky shop time. It is a bit spooky. We can't come in Borgen and Burke to not say it's spooky. Any literature by non-wizards or half-breeds is banned. What do you mean by half-breeds? All Quidditch matches are hereby cancelled. Broomsticks will be turned into the High Inquisitor for safekeeping. Oh, there's a lot of shit going down in the wizarding world. Oh, do the wizard dance, do the wizard dance, do the wizard dance, do the wizard dance. Yeah. Why don't you widowy do the witty? There we go. Someone's on vibes, someone's on vibes. Love to see it.
Come up. See up there?
Hey, there you go. You got it. You got it. It's there. What did we just come off, Josh?
I forgot the name of the ride.
Sick. Thank you. It was Gringotts. For the last couple of hours, we've actually done a fair few rides. We went to Ride Rocket.
Hey, what's your Rocket?
That was a lot of
my
fun.
favorite ride.
Yeah, and then Gringotts, and then we did a load of magic shit, stuff like that. It was pretty fun. Filled a few rides, right? I think we're heading to the outlets right now.
Do you guys have your IDs?
Sure. We got the solid caramel spiked affogatos with Kahlua.
Yummy.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you. Oh, quite strong.
That is really strong.
Taste that Kahlua. That's how we do it.
It's all right. So what you're gonna do is have his arm go and then just flip it. Yeah, just feel it. Just feel it going all the way through. Come on, you can do it. Come on, you can do it. There you go.
We're going together.
Whoa,
Oh, we're joining up now.
There you go. Sit it back. Hey,
And there it goes.
there you go.
Oh, it's going everywhere, that one.
He's not even tiny. He's the best. He's the best out of all. He's the best. Come on, I believe in you. I believe like side. Go one hand. Go the right side.
That's it. Shoulder.
Shoulder. There you go. Flip that arm up. Flip the arm up. Okay.
the family have made it to the premium outlets. Josh was on the hunt for some SpongeBob Crocs.
Patrick.
From SpongeBob.
SpongeBob's on my feet.
SpongeBob on my feet. Bitch, I'm so elite. Currently in the Nike outlet. Robin is a Nike.
I do want some dunks though.
Dunking on them
I just
hoes.
want normal colours. I want some like
Crazy ones.
yeah.
Wow, is that so crazy? They're trying on the donkeys. D, just made a purchase. What did you purchase? A juicy tracksuit. Show me very quickly. Oh, doesn't look good in there, but it's a lovely baby blue.
In England, the trousers are 75 quid, and she's managed to get the whole tracksuit for 67.
Ooh, what a bargain, D. Josh, what did you get?
I bought a lefty Fungo Pop for my friend. Just feeling.
Should have given him a shout out on the channel because it was such a big deal.
Oh, to Dylan _ Oopsie. Dylan Michael Brown.
Government named him, yeah? Fair play, man's out here now. We're in Bath and Body Works.
Mine's all the princess hand sands.
Do you reckon that we've got enough?
No.
That's too many hand sanitizers, Robin.
Never enough!
Never. What's the bad news, mate?
Oh, I couldn't find Patrick Crocs.
His dream is gone.
However,
Holiday ruined.
that means I got $50 to spend. What I would like.
Shopping done at the premium outlets. Dee, where are we heading to now? The mall at Millennia. And why are we going to the mall at Manamana?
To go to Sephora.
To go to Sephora. The lift has just arrived. It's Lululemon. We have made it into the mall at Millennia. This looks pretty tidy as a mall, doesn't it? I've only been here once and it was like 8 years ago. I don't remember really any of it, if I'm honest, but looking pretty nice right now. Just got to try and find fucking Sephora now, wherever the fuck Sephora is.
The shops here are way out of my budget.
Yeah.
Way out of my budget.
Yeah. Not the kind of place that you just come for a little bit of spending, it's where you come for a total lot of spending.
That's where you come to below your mortgage payment.
Oh, look what we found. Go on, have some fun. Isn't this basically like a boot?
Basically.
Right. I'm kind of enjoying the names of these. You've got Very That, Freaky Peach, you've got Fat Ass, Rich Betch, and Attention Seeker. And the whole thing's called Cheek Clappers. Love it. Basically, this is a posh boot. It doesn't even look like a posh boot. It doesn't even look posh. But it's very spenny. Everything is quite spenny. Josh, you having a fun time in there? You're into your skincare products at the minute?
Yeah, I was looking, but I think it's kind of just spend money on skincare on holiday. Put on my skin with a massive rash recently, and I don't know what to do. So I don't costing you guys like £60 of medical bills.
Yeah, it's not a good thing.
No.
Thank you.
Secure the goods. That's bloody 50 quid, 65 quid that. Oh, come on now. Where have we decided to eat, Robin?
The Cheesecake Factory.
Where they do.
Pencils.
Yep, HBs, like the sauce. A couple of ultimate margaritas.
Ultimate margaritas.
Salty
Get
rim.
salt.
Cheeky. Josh.
The butter on the bread.
Free bread.
We just appreciate how much butter this kid has put on his bread. That's got to go between three of you lot, yeah? This is why you don't back nice places, Jeff.
No consideration for anybody else. Yeah, why would you be the only one that wanted butter?
Cajun jambalaya pasta.
That looks like quite a big meal, big man.
Got some big old
Dee.
prawny boys.
Oh, sorry. Dee, what do you have?
Chicken Alfredo with extra crispy chicken.
That's pretty massive.
French onion dip burger.
It's become your thing out there, isn't it? You like French onion anything?
I like onions and I like French.
Mm-hmm.
French.
What you got?
Like French.
Double smash burger.
Double smash. Just a reasonable. That's actually like a reasonable sized thing. Everyone else has got like a fucking mountain of food. We are just coming out of the Cheesecake Factory. We're all very full. We've got cheesecakes to go. Well, a couple of them did. And we're getting a lift back to Surfside. But you probably gained so much experience. Oh, yeah.
Cheesy cheese, so caramel cakey.
Oh, yeah, I've got that mine. The Oreo's a bit hot. The Oreo. I couldn't decide with the Reese's, the red velvet, or the Oreo. But Mum gave me 20 seconds to choose. And then I was pressured.
You're welcome. Hurry up your ass.
Got my screen back.
Waiting.
It's very filling. How did you... Why did you so confused with a kid? Needs help. I only have one spoon.
And I cry.
Oh my god.
You don't have to eat it all tonight, put it in the fridge.
Had a fun day?
I have. It's been heavy on the walking though.
Mm.
I feel like I've walked more today than I have went round a theme park.
Yeah, I agree.
Like, it's really annoying because I never get anything from the outlets anymore.
No, me neither. I'm kind of over buying things for the sake of buying things, if I'm honest.
No.
Which I kind of used to do. And I was like, no.
No, they've got some nice stuff there. And they've got stuff I would buy, but nothing that I actually need. What did your day do?
Finally go on some rides, even though it was fucking awfully
So busy.
busy again. Yeah, going around the outlets and stuff. You know what I'm like with shopping. I'm into it for like a really short amount of time and then I get fucking bored. But it was nice. Everyone, like, they got kept happy, which was, you know, half the puzzle, wasn't it? And then we went to Cheesecake Factory and everyone really enjoyed a shit ton of food. And they gorged themselves silly. And we went IHOP today as well. So much food. So much money. But we're good. Daddy's on bank. And we're now watching yeah, Blow 2. I was right.